Kevin, put your seatbelt on.
In a minute.
Are you not gonna put your seatbelt on?
Bro, it's just right around the corner.
Did you know more than half the casualties and car crashes were reduced because of seatbelts?
Okay.
A study showed that 12,916 lives were saved because of seatbelts in 2014.
Can this guy just shut up? I'm trying to play pool.
Where'd you get a banana from? What the? Don't worry about where I got the banana. Put your seatbelt on!
Nah, bro, not after you hit me with that banana. Come on now.
Alright. That's how you want to take? Remember, safety starts with you. Put a seatbelt on.
But seriously guys, wear a seatbelt. More than 30,000 people a year die because of car accidents, and more than 53% of them are saved by a seatbelt. So please, wear a seatbelt.